Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of ancient dental treatments. Imagine a time before Novocaine, high-speed drills, or even modern toothbrushes. Take a ride with me on the Wayback Machine as we explore the surprisingly sophisticated ways ancient cultures addressed tooth care. Today, we'll explore how different civilizations, from the ancient Egyptians to the Mayans, contributed to modern dentistry. We'll uncover their ingenious methods, tools, and beliefs about oral health and discover how their wisdom continues to influence us today. Our first stop is ancient Egypt, the land of pharaohs and pyramids, where history and mystery intertwine. Picture this, it's 2500 BC. You're an Egyptian citizen with a throbbing toothache, desperately seeking relief. Your friendly neighborhood dentist has got you covered with surprisingly advanced dental work, far ahead of its time. The Egyptians, known for their innovations, developed effective treatments using readily available materials, showcasing their ingenuity. Forget fancy toothpaste, they used ground pumice stone and vinegar to scrub their teeth, maintaining oral hygiene. They even crafted dental bridges using gold wire, a testament to their craftsmanship and understanding of dental health.
Yes, gold bridges in 2500 BC. Can you imagine the skill and precision required? Clearly, the Egyptians understood the bling factor, incorporating gold into their dental practice just as they did in their jewelry. They also crafted dentures from materials like animal teeth, showing their resourcefulness.
Ancient Egyptian dentists tackled cavities using ground pumice stone, a natural abrasive, gold and other materials, blending practicality with luxury. These practices showcase an impressive understanding of oral health for their time, reflecting their advanced medical knowledge. The Edwin Smith Papyrus, dating back to 1600 BC, contains the earliest known documentation of dental treatments, highlighting their contributions to medical science. Let's travel to ancient China, around 2000 BC, where they developed a unique approach to dentistry. Forget painkillers. If you had a toothache, your dentist might have used acupuncture.
This practice involves stimulating specific points on the body to alleviate pain and promote healing.
The Chinese also pioneered dental fillings using precious metals like silver, gold, and tin.
We were strong advocates for preventative care, using herbal remedies like ginseng, licorice root, and green tea.
They crafted dentures and bridges from materials like carved bone and ivory. These prosthetics were functional and aesthetically pleasing, demonstrating advanced craftsmanship. The Chinese emphasized the interconnectedness of oral health and overall well-being. Their holistic approach continues to influence modern dental practices. Fasten your seatbelts because we're time traveling to the Indian subcontinent, home to Ayurveda, one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems. Dating back to 1500 BC, Ayurveda emphasizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, promoting a balanced and healthy lifestyle.
Ayurvedic dentistry is all about utilizing the power of nature, harnessing the benefits of plants and herbs for oral health. Forget your Colgate. We use the neem tree, which has antibacterial properties, as a natural toothbrush. The neem twigs were chewed until they formed bristles, then used to clean the teeth. People chewed on neem twigs to clean their teeth and gums, benefiting from its natural antiseptic properties.
Another tool was the miswak, a natural toothbrush made from the Salvadora persica tree known for its medicinal properties.
We developed tooth powders using natural ingredients like turmeric, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, cloves, which have antiseptic qualities, and salt, which helps in cleaning and whitening the teeth. These powders, mixed with honey or clarified butter, acted as natural toothpaste, providing a holistic approach to dental care. The emphasis was on prevention and maintaining a harmonious balance within the body, ensuring that oral health was part of overall well-being. We believed that oral health was directly linked to overall well-being and that a healthy mouth leads to a healthy body. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, we aim to achieve optimal oral and overall health, a philosophy that continues to resonate today.
The wisdom of these ancient practices continues to inspire modern dental care, blending traditional knowledge with contemporary techniques. Their holistic approach remains relevant today, reminding us of the importance of balance and natural care in our daily lives. Let's set sail for ancient Greece, the land of philosophers and skilled dentists. Greek dentists developed innovative dental instruments and explored new materials.
We developed specialized instruments like forceps for extractions and scalers for removing plaque.
The Greeks used gold, lead and ivory to craft dental prosthetics.
Hippocrates, the father of medicine, recognized the importance of oral health. He included detailed descriptions of dental treatments in his medical texts.
The Greeks emphasized observation, experimentation, and documentation. They laid the foundation for a more scientific approach to oral health. Their contributions paved the way for future advancements in dentistry. From the philosophical Greeks, we journey to the mighty Roman Empire. The Romans, known for their love of luxury, had advanced dental practices. They adopted techniques from the civilizations they conquered. The Romans embraced gold as a dental material, crafting gold crowns and bridges. These rest of oral anatomy. For the everyday Roman, there was tooth powder made from baking soda, salt, and crushed oyster shells. The Romans refined dental instruments from other cultures. They used forceps for extractions, scalers for cleaning, and drills for preparing teeth for fillings. Roman physicians documented their dental knowledge, advancing the field. The Romans left their mark on dentistry with their innovations in materials, techniques, and instruments. Their ingenuity and resourcefulness are truly remarkable. Their contributions helped shape the future of oral healthcare. Journey across the Atlantic to the Mayan civilization in Mesoamerica. The Mayans had a fascinating and advanced understanding of dentistry.
The Mayans blended practicality with aesthetics and spirituality. They believed teeth held deep spiritual significance.
The Mayans crafted intricate inlays using precious stones like jade and turquoise.
These inlays were status symbols showcasing wealth and spiritual connection.
They had a sophisticated understanding of tooth anatomy and developed techniques to treat cavities and infections.
They even practiced early forms of dental surgery using obsidian blades.
The Mayans emphasized preventative care, using natural remedies to clean teeth and treat infections. Their innovative techniques and holistic approach continue to fascinate and inspire us today. The Mayan civilization made significant contributions to the world of dentistry. We return to the Indian subcontinent to explore the evolution of dental practices after the rise of Ayurveda. Around 500 CE, Indian dentistry continued to focus on the interconnectedness of oral health and overall well-being. Central to this approach was the concept of the tridosha, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Indian physicians tailored treatments to restore balance and promote healing. Oral hygiene remained paramount, with natural toothbrushes like neem twigs and miswak. They developed sophisticated Ayurvedic tooth powders with herbs and spices. These tooth powders included ingredients like turmeric, clove, and licorice root. Indian dentistry also saw advancements in treating complex dental problems. They integrated spiritual and physical health, recognizing the mouth as a gateway to the body. Their holistic approach to oral health remains influential today. Our final stop takes us back to ancient China, where dental acupuncture evolved into a sophisticated and intricate system of healing. By 1000 CE, dental acupuncture was deeply rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, becoming an essential part of their medical practices.
Imagine a network of invisible pathways, or meridians, running throughout your body, connecting various organs and systems. These pathways are responsible for the flow of qi, or vital life force, which is essential for maintaining health. These pathways are responsible for the flow of qi, or vital life force, which is essential for maintaining health and balance.
Each tooth is associated with specific meridians and internal organs, creating a complex map of connections within the body. By stimulating specific acupuncture points, practitioners aim to restore the smooth flow of qi, thereby promoting healing and balance.
Chinese dental acupuncture considered the individual's overall health and well-being. Practitioners recommended dietary changes, herbal remedies, and lifestyle modifications to support the treatment.
This holistic perspective set Chinese dental acupuncture apart from other medical practices of the time. It reminds us that the mouth is an integral part of our overall well-being, influencing and reflecting our general health. Chinese dental acupuncture offers a fascinating glimpse into a different way of understanding and treating oral health, emphasizing the interconnectedness of the body and the importance of holistic healing. From Egypt to Mesoamerica, we've explored the fascinating world of ancient dental practices. These civilizations made significant contributions to modern dentistry. It's awe-inspiring to realize their sophisticated ways to care for teeth without modern technology. So next time you brush your teeth, appreciate the long journey of dental innovation. Stay curious, my friends.